Turn on. Oh, it's on. Hello, hi, it's me Lina and this is Mariam. Welcome back to our channel. So in this channel, I document my crochet journey all while managing a 9 to 5 job and having a baby to take care of. We also have a humble dream of building a tiny home with me, Mariam, and so my husband. In this video, we'll dive into unboxing chunky yarn and designing loaf lion, and then we also at the end of the video reviewing a ring light. So this is actually yarns for my next project. Wow! Oh, Yam's awake. The bundle of joys. So Yam is originally chilling out here, but once I turned on the ring light, she started to get on her side and wanting to have a look. Yam's triggered. Yum, yum, yarn, yum, yarn, yum and yarn, yum and yarn, yum and yarn, yum. So I'm actually planning to make loaf lion by using all of these yarns. So these yarns, these skeins, the one with textured color is meant for its body, while the one that I have over here is for the mane and feet. Years ago, and now they are safely landed. Loaf lion is on the way. Hey, it's Lina. I want to offer you a free crochet journal for working mom or busy crocheter. Believe me, this is not just another crochet journal you usually found. Inside are step-by-step instructions on how to use the journal, crochet tracker, monthly planner, and weekly review. And most importantly, it is anti-overwhelming and can be worked at natural pace. It encourages you to cherish the smallest crochet act you're able to produce with very limited time due to any responsibilities. Definitely the one for working mom or the busy crocheter. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for my email list and download the freebie now. Back to the video. Hey guys, it's 7:15 in the morning and I am chilling out while my daughter's asleep. I'll show you. One over here is actually a project I'm currently doing. This is called Loaf Lion. Hey, so I managed to get until this before she wakes up. So I have to attend to her. We'll get back to you again, Loaf Lion. A little update, we managed to get this far with our fourth loaf lion before again Mariam's cracking out her cry as always, but I managed to get it this far. I'm really proud of myself because in my spare time I couldn't hold yarns too much since when I have my spare time I have to doing all of my management works I did not have time to crochet, so here it is, the one I managed to do by today. Don't you think it's cute? Do you want to see the inside? So here's the inside. Hello everyone, it's 12:15 in the morning. I want to show you what I've got for my fourth low fly-in. So I basically done it. A quick update on my low fly-in projects. So basically I have crocheted 4 low fly-ins. They are all chilling on my table. I also would like to update you with my low fly-in project. So it's currently 4 in total and I'm working on my 5th, but I am running out of stuff, fiberfill stuff. Therefore I have to stop for a while, and while waiting for the stuff to come in, I have started working on my 6th, which is the last one, because that's my initial intention. I'm gonna create 6 low fly-in all together, and then once they finish, I would like to open for adoption in my website, crochetrumah.store. So if you're interested, just DM me in Instagram or when this video is updated in YouTube. I think I already will have them all listed in my website, so simply buy them from there. Since Yum's sleeping over there, so I'm gonna have some time to finish and start working on my 6th low fly-in, which is the last one, before doing something else. Thank you everybody. I managed to get my 6th low fly-in done this much before Yums wake up. There she is. So I have to stop for a while and continue after this. Hi everyone, good morning. So I this morning would like to show you my low fly-ins because they are all ready. Look at them everyone. Aren't they cute? Let me give you a close-up of how they look like from a closer perspective. So I use 3 different colors for the main. So the first one is the one in green, and then we also have blue hue color, and then the third one is kind of chocolate brownish, something like that. And I also incorporate other colors in making the low fly-in, which is we have different colors of body. I originally would like to make the face and also the body color different, but since we are lacking of yarn, so I have no choice but to include to patch several colors together to make the body. Mariam's looking like a Smurf. So it's Smurf Yum.
Hi guys, Lina here. If you are interested in any items mentioned in my vlog, you can check them out at crochetrumah.store. I currently have ready-made plushies, made-to-order items, and PDF patterns ready for you. Of course, handcrafted with care. Plus, we ship worldwide, so wherever you are, I'm happy to deliver a little crochet joy to your door. Thanks so much for your support. Visit crochetrumah.store today and take home your new favorite plushie.
This ring light is so cool, guys. You can get it from Shopee at just less than 100 if I'm not mistaken. It has a remote control with it, so you can easily turn on and off by using a remote even though you're far away from the ring light over there. So I'm actually filming over here and then my ring light's over there, so I can easily turn off whenever I like it. Wait, not working. Oh, it's working. and then turn it on again. Turn it on. Oh, it's on. Turn off. Sometimes you have to do a trick to make it work. Oh my god, I think it's the battery.
Kuat. Miami? What are you doing? Adik duduk atas apa tu? Total grounding. Total grounding true and true. Mariam. Cikik. Oh, she's crying already. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.